Okay, so as we are in lockdown, we can't quite do bridging in the normal way, as you know. So normally we would do an experiment in the lab, but we're going to do a virtual one this time instead. Okay, so we're going to do a virtual titration. And what this experiment does is it simulates a real titration, obviously. And what you do is you are going to analyze some river samples, looking at some pollution. And we actually do a piece of work very similar to this for real in the first term. So on the PowerPoint that you should have access to, you just need to click down here on this link and it will take you straight to the little piece of software here. And you can see that it takes you through everything, explains everything. It's quite easy to follow. You can work your way through and follow the instructions and do the experiment and get points, etc., etc., etc. So you should be able to just follow it through quite easily, and it should all work quite nicely. Okay, so if you work your way through, that should take you 10, 15 minutes or so. Then you should get a score that the challenge gives you, and this is our challenge. We just want you to try and work your way through and get as high a score as you possibly can. I think the maximum that you can get is 1,000, so see if you can get as close to that as possible. Once you have done that, what we would like you to do is get your score, take a screenshot and email it to my colleague Andy at that address there. Don't forget to include your name. And we need those entries by the end of bridging, which is Friday the 3rd of July. And once you've done that, we'll have a look and we'll see who the winner is, or there might be more than one. And then we'll send you a prize at the end of bridging. Okay, so hopefully you'll enjoy doing that, and it just remains for me to say thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in September. Thank you.